9, 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, as Gearheads and Breakerbots deposit the game pieces they started with, their alliance partner, Madtown, has already dropped off one, gone back for another cube, and picked up a cone as well, and in the final 3 seconds, making their way to wait on that Red Alliance charging station. And although they did not get it level by the end of Autonomous, it is still enough for the Red Alliance to start tally up with a lead, which they are quickly looking to add to. On the Blue Alliance, meanwhile, we see Iron Panthers. They have already raced back from their loading zone with a cone and trying to get it lined up to score in the upper row. The Blue Alliance has been filling out some middle row scoring of their own. We see Madtown already dropping off another cone and quickly racing back towards the loading zone where there is a plethora of game pieces waiting for them. And their alliance partners, Breakerbots, are working on filling out the bottom row as Madtown has started capping those cones on the high row. And the Red Alliance is hanging on to its lead. However, the Blue Alliance has no small amount of scoring of its own. Presentation Invasion, they have a cube with them and they are placing it in the upper row. Blue Alliance already has one link filled out, and if Iron Panthers can place that cone, they are soon to have two. On Red, meanwhile, they have already filled out a sizable portion of their grid. Seems like Madtown is still working on some of those cones. Once again, a quick cycle racing back from the loading zone with one. And as soon as they have some space to make it around their alliance partners, Gearheads, they will be putting that in place as well. And with 50 seconds left to go, Red Alliance is hanging on to that lead, but just 12 points separate our alliances for now. This could easily come down to the end game scoring. Presentation Invasion on the Blue Alliance had a cube. Unfortunately, it bounced out of the upper row, but they do manage to score it in a hybrid node, and their alliance partners, Iron Panthers, quickly taking their place, looking to add some scoring for Blue. And as we move into the final 30 seconds, we see on the Red Alliance Breakerbots bouncing their way onto Red Alliance's charging station, and meanwhile, 50, 26, and 7 racing towards that charging station for Blue. With 15 seconds left, Madtown still working on filling out the grid for the Red Alliance. 10 seconds left, and we have two Red Alliance robots on the charging station, keeping it level, and Blue matches that with two engaged robots of their own. And in the final 3 seconds, it seems like that is where our robots will finish. By a score of 150 points to the Blue Alliance's 90, Red Alliance coming away with 4 ranking points as well.